In today's challenging world, leaders in design and make industries are blazing a trail to a better future. And this is how they're doing it. For the second year, Autodesk surveyed industry leaders to discover the key factors driving change and presented the findings in the 2024 State of Design and Make report. Business challenges have shifted in the past year. Cost control is now the main concern for business leaders across industries, taking the lead over finding and retaining talent. Nevertheless, optimism is on the rise, with 73% of respondents feeling prepared to handle unforeseen changes. And with good reason. Corporations are outperforming expectations year over year. Advanced digital maturity is a key factor in this trend. Companies that embraced new technologies reported 34% higher performance. And maybe unsurprisingly, AI is a standout, with over half of companies approaching or already achieving their integration goals. And the outlook is mainly positive. 66% agree that AI will become essential, and 76% now trust AI in their industry. They are using AI to boost productivity, address the skills gap, provide design options, and automate routine tasks. Overall, companies are making strides in their AI journey. Although upskilling is seen as essential, 40% are struggling to implement training programs as they lack the skills or resources to create them. Despite these hurdles, companies are adopting a multifaceted approach. Digital maturity emerges as a key factor for attracting talent, while sustainability is a top retainer. And some companies are even using AI to bridge the talent gap. Sustainability has become an essential business strategy. An overwhelming 97% have taken action to improve their efforts, boosting pride in company initiatives. Sustainability proves valuable for short and long-term growth, and 70% of companies now see it as a modern business requirement, not just a passing trend. And the number one action companies are taking to be more sustainable in 2024? You guessed it, AI. Businesses are regaining confidence, embracing digital transformation, prioritizing talent development, and striving for a sustainable future. These findings reflect a collective determination to shape a resilient and sustainable world for everyone.